Good morning, dear students. Here is another worksheet change into passive voice. So I will solve the worksheet and will explain the things one by one. So let us understand it. So here is the first question. She sings a beautiful song. It has to be changed into passive voice. While making the passive voice, we must have one thing in mind, that which is tense. To which tense the sentence refer to. If tense is clear, you are able to convert it into passive voice very easily because you have the knowledge of the structures of the tenses. She sings a beautiful song. She sings a beautiful song refers to simple present tense. Why? It is because here the verb first form has been used with the use of s or es according to the third person subject she. She sings a beautiful song. So this is a simple present tense. So in simple present tense, when the sentences are, so we use the structure of passive voice, which is subject plus is MR plus verb third form plus by plus object. I have taught you earlier that when the sentence is in simple present tense, the passive structure is subject plus is MR plus verb third form plus by plus object. And you know na, the subject changes into object and the object changes into the subject. So this happens in the passive voice. Here the subject is she and the object is a beautiful song. So a beautiful song will become the subject. It will be written as a beautiful song followed by is MR. So we will be writing is, and third form sing is sung. Is sung by, and she will change into her. A beautiful song is sung by her. I hope it is clear. Now let us refer to question number 2. You wrote a letter. So let us observe the tense. You wrote a letter. So wrote is the second form na. So in simple past we use the second form of verb for, okay. So you wrote a letter. So in simple past, when the tense is in simple past, the passive voice structure is subject plus was verb plus verb third form plus by plus object. Again the same thing. I would like to tell that the subject becomes object and the object becomes subject when we change from active voice to passive voice. So here we have the subject you, which will become object, and the object here is a letter, which will become the subject. Let us write it. A letter was, after subject we write was verb, a letter was, wrote is the second form and written is the third form, written by you. A letter was written by you. I hope you have understood it. Now question number 3. They will understand your problem. Let us examine the tense. So they will understand. Subject plus shall will plus verb first form. This structure refers to future simple tense or future indefinite tense, right? So for future indefinite, we use the following structure for making passive na. Subject plus shall will followed by be plus verb third form plus by plus object. Again the same situation will happen. Subject will become the object and the object will become the subject. Your problem is the object there, so it will become subject. Your problem followed by shall will. So shall is only used with I and we. With rest other subjects we use will. Your problem will be understood. Understood is the third form of understand, right? Understand ka third form understood hota. Understand, understood by them. they will get changed into them. Your problem will be understood by them, right? Now here is the interrogative sentence. Let us examine the tense. Am I teaching you? So is, am, are followed by subject and V1 plus ing. It refers to present continuous tense na. So it is present continuous interrogative. So let us write the structure of present continuous interrogative or passive voice. It will be is, am, are plus subject plus being plus verb third form plus by plus object. So this is the structure. Students, learning structures will certainly help you to solve the questions. Otherwise, if you haven't learned the structure well, so it will create a problem. Therefore, you must learn the structures of passive voice and the tenses also. Now let us do it. Am I teaching you? So I here is the subject and you is the object. So you will become the subject. So for subject you, we use are. So are you being taught? Teaching third form is taught. Taught by me. I will change into me and question mark. Are you being taught by me? And there will be sign of interrogation. Now come to next question. Number 5. Have you seen a tiger? So has, have followed by third form. This refers to present perfect tense. So let us write the interrogative structure of passive voice in present perfect tense. So it will be has, have plus subject plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object. Now let us make a change into passive voice. A tiger, ऊपर में ऑब्जेक्ट है ना, इसे सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे तो हैज़ अ टाइगर, बिकॉज थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर के साथ हैज़ लगाते हैं. वी यूज़ हैज़ विथ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर एंड विथ अदर सब्जेक्ट्स वी यूज़ हैव. हैज़ अ टाइगर बीन seen by you? Has a tiger been seen by you? Now the next question, number 6. Do you eat chocolates and cakes? So to which tenses does it refer to? It refers to simple present interrogative. Do you eat chocolates and cakes? Do does लगता है तो वो simple present होता है. तो let us write down the structure of interrogative for changing into passive voice. ऊपर में आपको बताया भी है मैंने, बट फिर से. तो is, am, are प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, ये स्ट्रक्चर होता है ना. नाउ लेट अस चेंज इनटू पैसिव. तो चॉकलेट्स एंड केक्स ऑब्जेक्ट है तो सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा ना, तो उसके लिए तो आर यूज करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज़ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. आर चॉकलेट्स एंड आइसक्रीम्स. आर चॉकलेट्स एंड आइसक्रीम्स eaten by you. Are chocolates and ice creams eaten by you? What do you want? So this is a question, interrogative of simple present. So we will change it. What do you want? What is wanted by you? What is wanted by you? Help the poor. So this is imperative sentence. मैंने आपको बताया है इसको दो तरीके से बनाते हैं. एक तो लेट लगा के बनाते हैं, है ना, एंड दूसरा यू आर सजेस्टेड, यू आर एडवाइज्ड, यू आर आस्क्ड, यू आर कमांडेड, यू आर प्रोहिबिटेड, इस तरह से लगा के बनाते हैं. तो लेट अस डू बोथ वाइज. लेट अस डू इन बोथ द वे. हेल्प द पुअर, लेट लगा बनाएंगे तो लेट द पुअर बी हेल्प्ड. और बना सकते हैं क्या, you are advised to help the poor, or you are asked to help the poor. एक तो बन जाएगा let the poor be helped, दूसरा you are advised to help the poor. ठीक है. Now let us do next one. Please give me your pen. रिक्वेस्ट है तो आप इसको सिंपली यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड से बनाइए. यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू हेल्प द, you are requested to, sorry, requested to give me your pen. You are requested to give me your pen. Now the last question we have is, do not cut the tree. So this is a prohibition. इसको दो तरीके बना सकते हैं, लेट लगा के भी एंड प्रोहिबिटेड लगा के भी. तो यू आर prohibited to cut the tree. या दूसरे तरीके से बन सकता है, let the tree not be cut. Let the tree not be cut. ये दोनों ही तरीके से बन जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स. तो इस तरह से आज हम लोग इतना ही पढ़ते हैं. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, समझ में भी आया होगा. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट इन द नेक्स्ट लेसन.